Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on hearing aid support in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To look for hearing aid support, we have to go to settings, of course. Then we are looking for accessibility options here and hearing enhancements. And in this little menu we have hearing aid support. What does it do exactly? Adjust your phone audio so it works better with hearing aids. Let's turn it on, and that's it. No need to save this option, we just back out to main menu, and that's it. To turn it off, just turn it off. It's a toggle right in this menu. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.